We out here and we're getting ready for the show, baby. We showing out. We got all kind of bloodlines over here. And one thing we like to do is work. Goldie, stop biting people. We train out here with fireworks blasting off, simulating gunfire. Common occurrence in Baltimore. Debo hears that gunfire. Oh. What he used to. Get in there, Debo. Get you some. Let's see who's gonna give up first. Got my black Merle right here. Let's see what she produced real soon. Show them how we do out here. Look at that. See that body? See those muscles, that stance? Perfect bully stance. Speed. We got more than just strength. Let me see our dogs make a move. Our dogs got that speed. Debo back in, he had to relieve himself. Had to let some of that sweet potato mash out. Flies biting snow, they love her. I don't know what it is, but the flies love biting the white dogs. My bitch got bites all over her, man. Ride 'em, cowboy. She can shake them both. It's good to get your dogs some chewing because they be eating all kind of crazy stuff. Let's see, let's let it rock out. Snow got some shakes. You shake your dog up, your dog will be shooken. Shaking, not stead. 007 over this bitch. Shaking and not stead. Shaking and not stead. We'll hook them up with a little bit of ground beef, lean ground beef tonight. Normally we go high fat content. Yeah, y'all see that. About 80 something degrees right now. Very, very humid. Just letting y'all see how we train. We train every weather, heat, rain, cold, whatever. We out here, we training. Y'all can see the spots of colorations on my Merle. Hopefully she produces. Hey, all we need is one Merle, and I'm happy. One Merle, and we good. One Merle, one blue, and whatever else comes, we just take it like that. We ain't got no puppies yet, y'all, but stay tuned.